Hello viewers, welcome to my channel. In this video I want to show everyone on how to install the YQprime. So the YQprime is an AutoCAD plugin just like the YQ basically for surveyors and majorly for architects. Alright, so this plugin can be used to automate some architectural designs and a lot of building and structural designs. So the YQprime is like the advance to the YQ Arc. So I'm just going to show you how to install the free edition version of the YQprime. So first off, if you have downloaded it from my platform, you are going to have it in a zip folder this way, basic YQprime version 27. Alright, so I just got to know about this CAD plugin. So you just need to right click on it, then come to your mirror, then extract files, click on OK. So you are going to have this in a folder. These are the DWG process data, installation, plugin guide, and the setup itself. So first off, you need to note the part where your YQ Arc setup is. So it is under my setup on my desktop. Okay, so you just need to open your AutoCAD work environment, then you come to your command line and type upload, then hit enter. So therefore you cannot navigate to the part where you have your setup. So I have it under my desktop under setups folder. Open it, open the folder, then you select the YQprime app itself, then you navigate to content. This will help you to permanently incorporate it into your AutoCAD work environment. Even if you are not working on this workspace anymore, any other time you open your AutoCAD, you can still access it. Alright, just like what you are seeing on this menu bar here. Okay, so when you click on your content, you now come to add. Then you navigate to the folder where you have the YQprime setup. Select it, then you click on open. Therefore it's going to appear here. So when it appears here under your list of applications, you select it. Alright, and you can see it activated. Then you can close this. Then you cannot check add to history. Therefore when you check your add to history, it will appear here. Then you can now click on load. Then you can see below here load successfully, and you can see it under your history list. So whenever you want to make use of your AutoCAD, it will always be available for use. So after you load it, you can now click on close. So it's loading, and you can see it above here, YQprime. So you can click on it and you can see. Alright, so these are some of the functions that is free based on the basic YQprime edition. If you want the pro features, you will need to get activation key for your pro. Alright, so you can still navigate to some of the free functions or tools that you can see to make use of any of the free tools. So those are all of those that is free. So all these ones that is unactivated is for the pro. So you can get your activation by clicking on get pro YQprime activation key. Alright, so you need an internet connection, then you need to pay to access the activation key. That is the condition set by the programmer. Right, so when you get your activation key, you can click on activate, then you input your activation key, then you click on OK. So for now you can only access the free tools based on what is available. So that is how to install the YQprime for surveyors and architects. In my subsequent video, I am going to show you how to explore some of this that is related to the surveying profession. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.